Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Refining with Jessie, the life coach. So today it's all about me time. We are going to be talking about how to organize the perfect picnic for one. Spending time with yourself is so important, and getting out into nature just helps rejuvenate the soul. So let's talk about how to get that picnic popping. We want to make sure that we have everything we need and we are nice and organized so we can enjoy the time we have with ourselves. So let's talk about it. So first things first is we are going to be speaking about food. So I'm going to be suggesting 3 different types of food you could bring on your picnic that is easy to make. So first up is pasta salad. So we want to salt a boiling pot of hot water and then add some elbow pasta, about 3 cups. While our pasta is boiling around 10 minutes, we're going to chop up some of the ingredients that is going to go into our pasta salad. So we have some spinach, some sweetened sun-dried tomatoes that's already in oil, and then we have some goat cheese. While we were doing that, our pasta is now all ready and we are just going to strain it out. And now we're just going to add everything that we chopped. We're going to add the spinach, the cheese, the sun-dried tomatoes, and we are going to mix it all together to make sure everything is getting evenly coated. And you want to make sure that you get all that cheese because it is very soft in texture, so it's a little hard, it gets very mushy, but it tastes so good. So the next step is that we are going to add some Italian dressing. And make sure if you try this that you get that zesty kind of dressing because it just adds that extra And this tastes so good, guys, especially when it's nice and warm. Oh my god, it's just so yummy. Your picnic will be on point. Food choice number 2 is grilled chicken sandwich. So what you're going to do is take some chicken tenders or chicken cutlets, just season it, and then coat a pan with some oil, and we're just going to fry it a bit. After we do that, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese to it and put it in the oven for about 10 minutes for like 350. Add your toppings and you're good to go. My third choice is a berry salad. I mean, you can't go wrong with a salad. It's easy to prepare and it's so healthy and good for you and refreshing. It is still summer, guys. Now it's all about picnic totes and baskets. So I found this little gem in Bed Bath & Beyond a couple of years ago. It is an insulated wine and cheese tote, and it is adorable and it fits so much. It has this little divider, but it's velcroed so you can actually take it down. But if you have 2 items such as wine and then cheese and you want to put your cups on the other side, you can do so. So this one right here has everything you need for a small picnic. It has a small wooden cutting board, and that's going to be good for your cheeses and your breads. And then on the right hand side of it, it comes with a knife, and that's a bread knife or cheese knife. And then on the other side, it has a corkscrew for your wine, and then on the other side of it, it also is a bottle opener. So if you bring bottles on your picnic, you'll have an opener as well. And then on the side, it has this small little pocket, and what I put in here is the picks to actually pick up your cheese. But of course, you could put anything in this side pocket. It also has another side pocket on the other side. And in here, it came with 3 little plastic containers, little bottles, and this is perfect for your condiments. So in here, I have my balsamic dressing, and I also have my strawberry vinaigrette dressing for my salad. So now we're going to start packing everything up. I just packed the pasta. This is the salad. And this is some cheese because you can't have a picnic without cheese. And I packed up some grapes. So that's going to be good for, some snacks. And then in a small container, I have some crackers to accommodate my cheese. And then we are packing the wine on the right hand side. And as you can see, everything fits in perfect. And now it's all about the picnic basket. So the picnic basket is going to hold my wine glasses, my utensils, my sandwich, my plates, some napkins, some small bottles of water, a portable speaker, and don't forget the trash bags, guys. So now it's picnic time at the lake, and I have a special guest, which is Mr. Shorty. That is my fur child, my baby, my heart. He loves time at the lake. So one essential for a picnic is a blanket. So that's what I have here. It's a blanket with a front pocket so you could put other things in it. It has a handle so you could just wear it like a purse, and we're gonna just start unfolding it and getting everything set up for our picnic. So why is it every time you spend time getting your blanket perfect, somebody comes and steps all over it? Yeah, Mr. Shorty. He makes no apologies for it. So we're just taking everything out. I'm starting to get everything set up. I'm putting out the picnic basket. I'm taking out the wine tote and just getting nice and comfortable and enjoying this beautiful, beautiful weather. When people think about picnics, they only think about having a picnic during the summertime. Technically, it's still summer. We have about 2 weeks, but the best time to have a picnic is right in between summer and fall, because there's less bugs out. It's not as hot. It's not humid. You have that nice breeze coming through, and it's just nice and relaxing and comfortable. It's that perfect weather to just enjoy a nice glass of red wine and just chill out and just be in solitude. Being outdoors does wonders for your mind and does wonders for your body, especially in these days that we're living. Everything is so stressful. We're always on the grind. If you're from New York, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just go, 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 go. So, sometimes you just need to just slow down, enjoy life, and enjoy just timeless, beautiful moments. And this is my favorite time of any picnic hour, and that's enjoying my food. I love to eat, and so does my furry friend. Don't worry guys, he has his own little treats. I made him his own chicken, and I brought him along some water. But of course, he always wants more mama's having. So if you haven't had time this year to create and organize a picnic for yourself, go out there and do it. Do it now. It is such beautiful weather outside. Do something just for yourself where you could just relax, enjoy yourself, be in quiet, peaceful time, and enjoy a nice glass of wine, and do it just by yourself. Don't be afraid to go out there and do things by yourself. It builds confidence, it builds self-care, and it builds self-love. When your body is still, your mind is relaxed, and that's the time when you are able to process thoughts and do some self-reflection, which is always needed in a journey of self-love. Get out those summer hats if you put them away. Get out those fall hats and go out there and enjoy your time. So my fur chow is getting a little hot, so we're gonna take a walk over to the water and just get nice and refreshed. Water is so healing, guys. And as you can see, Shorty is loving it. He definitely agrees. So that's all I have for you today, guys. If you haven't become part of my tribe, definitely subscribe and become part of my tribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.